Hi everyone, Misilla here. So we're going to make bats today out of toilet paper tube rolls, some construction paper, some googly eyes, paint, and glue. So very easy craft to do with your little ones. So let me show you how we're going to do this. Crease right at the points and open it up so you'll have bat wings. Once the glue has dried, go ahead and push in the sides like this. And when you turn it, it should look like this, like it's got the ears or the horns on the side. You can do the same thing if you're making owls. Just like that. You can do the same thing on the other side, on the bottom, so it looks like they have feet. Yeah, we are. Joining us today. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and happy crafting.
Bye.
See you next time. Got it?
Can you?
I can help you. Yeah, sure. There you go. And the other one right there. Okay.